Good afternoon. Now I am going to teach you how to form an equation using statements. And the statement is given, and you have to convert that into an expression. The sum of 4 times of x and 12 is equal to 35. The sum of 4 times x. 4. You have to take x and then you have to write it 4 times. So 4x 4 times 4x. And what is the operation that is being used over here is sum. So 4x, the sum of 4 times of x. 4 times of x is 4x and 12. This operation between 4x and 12 is addition, sum. So 4x plus 12 is equal to how much? 35. So we have formed a statement out of we have formed an expression out of a statement. So statement was given, the sum of 4 times of x and 12 is equal to 35, and we have converted into an expression just by writing 4x plus 12 is equal to 35, and you can do it vice versa. Now second is, half of a number is 3. You have given any number, it is given half of a number is 3 more than 8. Half of a number is more than 3 is more than 8. Okay. Balanced equation. You can balance equation if we add the same number on both sides. 12 minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 1. 12 minus 8, if we add 3 to both sides, so 12 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 3 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 7. You need not to look at those. Let me go. We subtract the same number from the both side. If we multiply the same number on the both side, the solution, it is given how to make an equation. You need not to remember it. You have to find how to find a solution of an equation. The easy method is by transposing, by transferring constants to one side and variables to other side. For example, here x plus 11 is equal to 35. The solution is x is equal to 35 minus 11. Here what it is given, what I am telling you, instead of adding or subtracting, you have just here 35 is a constant, 11 is a constant on left hand side. Just transfer 11 on the right hand side. It is going to become x is equal to 35 minus 11 is equal to 24. So you can do rest of questions.